Hello student, in the Visual Basic today topic is procedure, working with procedure, and function. In the firstly see the what is procedure. Procedure, it is a group of statement which can be executed from other part of program or can be associated with certain event. Procedure are useful for contain repeated or shared task. Procedure allow to break up a program in different logical unit which debug more easily than program without procedure. We can call the procedure for other program. The usually when little or no modification is procedure will not be executed till it is called. The scope of the procedure may be private or the public. Private indicate that the procedure is accessible only to the procedure in module where it is declared. Public indicate that the sub procedure accessible in also module. The when you declare this procedure as a public, then it is accessible to all the sub procedure they can use in their all the module. Procedure are the building block that consist a set of logically related statement and execution of this statement performs an action. Procedure are the building blocks. Procedure what is procedure? Procedure are the building block that consist a set of logically related statement, logically condition also related statement, and execution of this statement performs an execution of this statement performs an action. There are the three types of the procedure provided in the Visual Basic 6.0. There are the first procedure is event. First procedure is event. Second is property. Second is property, and third is general. Third is general. First is C, the event. First is C, the event. Event, the procedure is mainly defined for forms and control, and it gets created automatically either by system action or by the user action. When you use the event is mainly defined for the forms. When you in the Visual Basic, when you suppose you design the one form of the addition of the one program, when you provide the event, click event, double click event, mouse down event, and it gets automatically either by the system action or by the user action. For example, you need to write a procedure in the click event of a command button, and so by double clicking on the control you can invoke the procedure, and that procedure will execute when the user will click on that button. When the user click on that button. Next is property. Property procedure mainly used to create properties for a class and can set its value from any application that creates an instance of the class. Property procedure is a procedure mentioned inside the class module, and whenever the client retrieves or set the value of a property, it is called. It can be defined for form module or form standard module also. Again, there are the three property procedure mainly used to create the properties for a class and can set its value from any application that creates an instance of the class. There are the three types of the property procedure. First is the get, second is the set, and third is the let. There are the three types of the property in the Visual Basic procedure. There are the three types of the procedure: event, property, and the general. Event, and the second type is property. Second type is property. Property, there are the three types: get, set, and the let. Get means This is used for retrieving the property value. Retrieve it the property value. Then the get is used. Set. This is used for setting reference for the object type property, any object type property of the class. This is used for setting reference, setting for the reference purpose. This is used for setting reference for the object type property of the class. Then the set is used. Let. This is used for assigning the new value. There you have assigning the new value to any variable or any then let is used. Then the third is general. General procedure are there are the two type, function procedure and the sub procedure. There are the two type. First is function procedure and the sub procedure. There are the two type, function procedure and the sub procedure. First, let's see the function. First, let's see the function. First, let's see the function. The function begins with every time function and ends with the function. It returns the call to the calling procedure. While creating, it do not specify the data type or variant data type is assigned to the return type. The syntax is when every time is declared with public, private, or static, public, private, static, and the function name. Then write the function name publicly, privately, statically, and their function name. There you have used the argument argument list, and there as a type, their type, which type. Then statement, then name of the expression, name equal to expression, name equal to expression, and then end function. When every time function start with function name and then begin with function and end with the function, it returns to the value. And function is declared with public, privately, then function type, argument list as type, statement, then name, you are declare their name equal to their expression, and then end with function. In this way, function declare, it return the value. While creating, do not specify their data type. There are no declaring the data type. Variant data type is assigned to the variant type of the data type as type. There are used as integer type, as in this way their variant type of the data type is declared. Next is sub procedure. Next is sub procedure. Sub procedure execute the specified set of statement together, but it does not return value. It is enclosed with sub and end sub. Sub procedure execute the specified set of the statement. It execute the specified set of statement together, but it does not return value. It does not return any value. The same way it declare the syntax of the sub procedure, that is declared as a public, private, static, public, private, static, sub name, and their argument list, arg list. Same way, when you in the declare in the function and their statements and the end sub function every time start with sub and the end with end sub. Start it and close with sub and the end with end sub statement. In this way, the procedures are used. There are the three types of the procedure: event, property, and the general. In the general, there are the three function, two types: functions and the sub procedure. Next, our topic is functions. The firstly, you see the procedure. Next is functions. Visual Basic provide the different types of the function. There are as first is user interaction. User interaction function. Second is string function. String functions. Third is math function, mathematical function. Math function, string function, math function, then date function, and then fifth is conversion function. Conversion function. First is user interaction function. First is user interaction function. In the user interaction function, first is user interaction function. In Visual Basic, can interact with the user with input box and the message box. Means message box in MSG box, message box. This function displays dialog boxes. Throws can display some information and can collect the input also. Input box. First is there are the two types of the user interaction: input box, and third is message box. There is MSG box. Message box. First is see the input box. Function input box displays a dialog containing a text or two buttons, OK and the cancel. User input the text into the text and click on the OK and close the dialog. Remember that the text provided by the user into the store as a string variable. Input box every time gives to the input is given in the text boxes, and there are the two buttons, OK and the cancel. You have give to the OK, then the input is provided. User inputs the text into the text boxes, click on OK and close the dialog. Remember that the text provided by the user store in the string variable. Second is message box, means MSG box. Message box function is used to display message boxes. Message boxes are used in the application to provide different types of message like warning message, confirmation message, error message, just for displaying the information. Moreover, it is also used to collect input from the user, and according to the action performing depend on the button user had clicked. For example, message box content, there are the three buttons, yes, no and the cancel. It is asking the user whether to save the application or not. When you submitting the any form, you are asking whether the submit their form or not. These types of the message give to the user, and when you click on the OK, then this message box is closed. The message box is provided, are used for the application to provide the different types of the message: warning message, confirmation message, and the error message. There are the two types of the user interaction function: input box and the message box. Today close your session. Thank you.